With summer here and with one more kid having flown the nest, I really need to get the food under control. I'm starting to let food spoil again. And so I want to keep loose cupboards, a loose fridge and freezer for the summer. I don't want to stockpile. I do have some things I know, like I bought a case of kidney beans at Costco as well as a case of green beans. I know I'll go through both of those. But what I really want to do is I want to get an inventory list together, and I want to make meal plans out of that. And then hopefully, like eventually, what I really need to do is get a meal plan specifically for me that is low carb. So, but I feel like first I need to deal with whatever food we have in there, and then my second step will be meal planning for myself and supplementing whatever little things like zucchini, cauliflower rice, some of those staples that go with meat. Because, you know, meat's not an issue. It's really the carbs that I add. So I'm heading out to the kitchen. I'm going to go through the refrigerator. I'll get out any old food, inventory the fridge, inventory the freezer, inventory the pantry, rearrange anything that I need to rearrange. So do you find that the way you eat, I mean, sometimes like we're barbecuing, of course, more than we would do soups and stews, but I'll still do them if it gets us through the food in the house. I told my husband, I'm like, we're going to make a concerted effort to eat down this food so that we can kind of start fresh. So let me know, does how you eat change as the seasons change, or does it stay pretty much the same? And are you good at keeping your fridge and pantry decluttered, or is it a struggle? Let me know in the comment section. I would love to know. Let's get going, and I'm going to go ahead and inventory, and I'm also going to take pictures on my phone because I'd really rather write my menu plans on my bed because I'm feeling kind of, a little weary today. Later on, Yvonne and I are going to go see the second Inside Out movie. Let me know if you've seen it yet. Did it come out last night or yesterday, I think? So we're headed there. I know that's going to be my reward, which means another late video. But I'm kind of I'll update you at the end of this video in case you're new here. My name is Karen, and I don't want to bore you with all that. Let's get going on the kitchen food declutter. I got a very small grocery order until I can kind of get my head together more to know what I need. So toilet paper, paper towels, and cleaning wipes. Yvonne wanted these, and I'm actually thinking about doing homemade ramen or ramen bowls tonight for supper. And then we got 2 bags of rice because they were on sale so much. It was 2 for the price of 1. Dairy-free chocolate chips. Light brown sugar because Yvonne wanted to do some baking, and then a couple things of tofu. I got hamburger. We didn't really need, but we always do use it, and I can freeze it. Leo squeezies, watermelon for snacking, coleslaw, which is to me always amazingly good in the summer to have. Egg whites for me, potatoes because I'd like to make a potato salad. Again, summertime cooking. I got some popsicles, a couple of lemons, strawberries, my Dr. Pepper Zero, a cat, and Yvonne had asked for beef broth, so I got that. I got 2, and we would use it for the rice noodles as well. Lettuce a few days ago, and it was the day we had pizza, and I didn't end up making a salad. The baby!
I think we're going to have to pull some of the arugula here soon, too. That's longer than you would expect it to be.
Such a sweet little guy. What is this, and are we keeping it?
It's refried beans, maybe? And no, you probably don't have to at this point.
What's this, Robin?
I think that was
Was
dumpling sauce that was saved.
I threw out yesterday's dumpling sauce. And
It's
what
not-
is
What's
this?
the face? What's this, Robin?
What's this, Robin?
Look at her.
That's chili.
I think we should get rid of it.
Yeah,
And
that's
what's this,
fine.
Robin?
cute.
That's chili. That
Okay.
chili is newer than this chili. But
Are we keeping? Are you going to eat this?
I don't have any hot dogs right now, so probably
Alright,
not.
get rid of it.
I saved it to put on
Hot dogs. Hot dogs. All right.
this guy.
The baby loves tuna.
He's
Is anyone going to eat the leftover homemade pizza? I would say probably not.
Can he have tuna?
I would think so.
Yes.
Right.
The baby! They have that cute little kitten.
Oh, they have a kitten.
Yes, he's literally like onyx.
Yeah, they just
He's so tiny and so
month ago.
cute. He literally waddles when he walks.
Nah. Same.
I know, girl.
She's like, if I'm meaning to talk to you about that.
Because I have. So here I am doing what I think is cleaning.
No, I'm actually inventorying
Except for I'm inventorying.
so I can see, so we can make meals out of this mess. Brussels sprouts, broccoli. Oh, we need to do this today. Hallelujah.
What's that?
Well, we're getting it now.
Oh, he is? Wow. Hey, film in here.
I'm sorry.
Film in here. Can you help me? I can't even open this, Robin. Is that funny to you?
Yeah, it is.
You're just happy I can't live without you. You know it's bad when the beans turn white and they're black beans. Oh, my. Oh, my goodness. This is not right.
And also, I am obsessed with this cat, Wilbur. He's so cute.
His cat? Their cat?
Yes. He's literally Goose, but a little bit smaller, with no tail.
Aww. Ugh. I love old food.
Ugh.
I love how we think we're going to eat food. It's so funny.
And here I am
We don't eat
complaining,
leftovers.
as usual, about my food. You know, maybe some of these voiceovers might help someday.
Yeah.
You're trying to get followers, right?
Yeah. Sounds like a family fight to get some followers.
Exactly.
You know, the other chili was older because it was a different color.
There's a different kind.
Uh-huh.
There were two different kinds. One was wolf chili out of a
Wolf.
can. The other one was homemade
Ew.
chili.
Well, chili out of a can. Doesn't sound nice.
Get rid of all the older.
I got food all on the outside of this guy. Oh, what a mess. Guess the trash needs to be emptied now. We're not much of a leftover family, is what I'm noticing.
I thought you already noticed this before.
I notice people keep putting leftovers in the
Leftovers
refrigerator
all the
so I
time.
can clean them out later.
Alright. Gracious. I just get home to this.
Go ahead, show me your lunch. Breakfast. Whatever.
This is my lunch/breakfast. Not too much.
Your butt just opened the trash. Thank you.
I'll edit that out. These I got at Costco. You'll see this in my last video.
I don't know the Costco haul. Is it good?
Mmm.
See, you hadn't tried that one.
Mmm.
You tried mine. Mine was good last night. It was super salty.
Guys, hers was not even good.
No, it
Salty. So I'm gonna have some, what is this? Ginger ale with my lunch.
There's
And,
also another can of Coke in there.
ooh, awesome. And we're both going to see the new Inside Out.
Yep.
So, if you guys have seen it, comment down below. Comment in the club. I'm thinking a ponytail for the movie. I'm gonna go upstairs and wet my hair and get it all ready. And I don't know what to wear, girl. It's always cold in there.
Yeah, warm clothes. Because even I think it's cold in here.
And if she thinks it's cold, that's saying something. Because in the winter, guys, this house is literally on 72 and it's always cold. So send us some thick curtains.
Most people put theirs on 68.
You put your house on 68 this year, I'll be sleeping. I don't know. You know what? I'll edit that out. I love the baby. Okay, Liam.
Oh, also we have Dunkin' Hot Cocoa Keurig cups that Yvonne could drink.
What is it? Oh, those are bossy.
Put them over here so we remember them. All right, one thing that wasn't where it belonged, I know, is I have some Thai noodles. All right, I also want to keep a list of things I need to complete things. So I know my husband mentioned that we needed tomatoes because I also do have lettuce. So I'm going to write all my veggies. So I have lettuce, cukes, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, carrots. Then I have frozen peas and corn. And then I had asked for riced cauliflower on my order and they substituted it for rice vegetables with carrots and peas. What am I going to make out of that? Riced veggies. I'll just write. I got to figure that out. I should take it back to the store. It's like I said it was okay to substitute it, but I would have hoped they would have just substituted it with another brand of riced cauliflower. All right. Oh, I have a case of green beans. 2 beets. See, I have a lot of vegetables. There's no, except for the tomatoes, there's no reason to, oh, and I picked some lettuce. So I have my lettuce. Tonight, I know, because we have, okay, now meat. Getting ahead of myself. I have 3 packages of hamburger, 1 serving of turkey burger. I have chicken thigh, chicken legs. I have 1 steak. See, then if I know I don't have a lot, then it just determines like what night I cook it, because with Yvonne and Ava working more, you know, there's nights like on the weekends they're not around. Chicken breast. And then I also have potatoes. So tonight, oh, and I have coleslaw. And then we have garbanzos, 3. Black beans, 1, which people probably use for a lunch. Kidney beans, a case. I have canned tomatoes. I didn't leave enough room for veggies. All right, and then we also have a lot of mozzarella. I have fresh Parmesan. So, like when I'm looking at what do I need to buy, and I have grated parm, I can look at this and go, okay, I've got the fresh parm. So if I did like a homemade pasta dish, right, that would be a cheap way to use up some of the cheese. All right, so now I'm going to brainstorm. I know I had thought about, what's it called? Cuban rice and beans. Cuban rice and beans. Rice, beans. And then with the hamburger, we're going to do cheeseburgers. I need to buy some American cheese. You know, maybe I'll go in there and go, could I have 3 slices of cheese? I've done that before. You can totally do that. Cheeseburgers and coleslaw tonight. I need to put that coleslaw together before I leave for the movie. And I'm going to do a potato salad. And we'll do grilled chicken breast. Well, maybe I'll do thigh because I'll do it on Saturday when I know Ava's not home because she hates chicken thighs. And she can have leftover potato salad when she comes home from work because she loves that. And then steak and green beans or beets. This would be a night for my husband and I, Robin and I, and Rachel, because there's not that much steak. Oh, chili, because I can use another burger and another kidney bean. So that's 1, 2. I need a 3rd thing. My husband mentioned, what is it? Meatloaf. So we could do meatloaf, a small meatloaf, because with just 1 package of burger, which I need to cook smaller because we have not been doing good eating leftovers. Meatloaf. What's good with meatloaf? Rice. We have a ton of rice right now, and I'm not eating the rice, but others would like it. Meatloaf, rice. Oh, we could also do salad with the cheeseburgers. Salad. And I'll do salad with the meatloaf. I mean, I will have to move this around, but it just gives me an idea on what's in the house. And then, so we have the meatloaf, the chili, the cheeseburgers. That takes care of the hamburger. Then chicken legs, I could do buffalo. And then just hold one out for me that's not buffalo. Because you cover it with buffalo sauce and people will eat literally anything. Oh, I'll come back to that. Homemade ramen with the broccoli, and I must have onions in the house too. I'm going to write that because I bet I do. I didn't look, but I'm pretty sure I bought a bunch of them. Broccoli, carrot, and Brussels sprouts. That's one where you have to be careful to make a small batch. See, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 things already. And so that gets rid of the chicken legs, the steak, chicken breast, and the hamburger, and the chicken thighs. Okay. And then I have 1 serving of turkey burger. Oh, I'll write down, what's it called? Nunuk. Nunuk is an Armenian soup that I really need to show you guys with the turkey burger and garbanzos. And then on a Monday, when my husband's not home, Yvonne and Rachel, they both like, I'll just write Indian garbanzos. I can't remember what it's called. They make a dish. It's got garbanzo beans, carrots, diced tomatoes, and also the Nunuk uses diced tomatoes. And then we do meatloaf. I said salad, but I'll do peas for the people that eat peas. I don't because of carbs. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 See, I am just going to the grocery store and get, oh, and then we have all this mozzarella. I think I can write down tomato sauce, but I think I have, I'm pretty sure I have marinara sauce. Yeah, I do. I'm going to write that under the garbanzos. Maybe it didn't get put away, but maybe we didn't buy it. I'll write marinara sauce under what we need. Marinara. And what was I thinking I would do with it? Now I can't remember. Oh, pizza. Because we do have a lot of mozzarella. So we'll do homemade pizza. And then we could have a pasta night with Alfredo sauce. And I think peas are really good in that. So we'll do peas again. All right, that is a good start. And then I'll cross things off of this list. And then I will keep going and, you know, trying to, maybe I'll like rotate week. I'm going to put a star beside things I need to rotate, like the Cuban rice and beans. To get rid of these kidney beans. Not get rid of, but use them. And the chili, I could even do a vegetarian chili. I'm going to write that, vegetarian chili. That's a good idea. So I need to get tomato paste, again cheap, canned tomato sauce for chili. I know I have beef broth already. Yeah, so I feel like that is a really, really good start. All right. So what are you doing to help yourself? I know you're going to have tons of ideas, but put your ideas for not wasting food down in the comment section, and then it will help everyone.
The first thing I'm going to water today is my daughter's garden that she planted from seed, because today is the day to fertilize it. I use these watering can singles. I don't know if I'll keep buying them because I kind of go through them fast, so it might be more cost effective to just buy the kind that I have to measure myself. And I kind of just lay my hose wherever the grass doesn't look as good. And then the lawn is getting, or at least the parts of the lawn that need to be watered, get watered while I'm watering everything else. I don't need the water pressure that high though. Whoa, it's flowing over. Okay. This garden can get fertilized. Got my rhubarb is doing great. My chive, oregano I really need to use. Violas, the basil came back, and I have another pot of basil, and then my geraniums. It's supposed to rain today, but because I wanted to fertilize that front bed, I decided to do some watering. And this is Roman tomatoes, and it wilts very easy for some reason. So now I'll just use up this water. Whoops. My applement is going crazy, so I gotta use this stuff. I don't even know if I could put it in a bigger pot. Or could I divide it? Let me know if you've divided it, if you had good luck. The only other thing I wanted to do was to cut some lavender for inside, because I could probably bloom more. And then maybe 3 from here. I think I inadvertently got different types of lavender, because this kind of looks different to me. Ooh. Those ones smell very strong. I'm putting these in the bathroom. And then we'll just take 1 rose. Isn't that so pretty? Leo, get out of there.
We can at least make one of them home.
Well, I can pick a cheese. You should specifically ask them if they're going to do this. They could have planned to be here halftime, his halftime.
Right. This does make, once you get yourself used to what you're doing, this does make bread very easy.
What
I'm not
is?
the mixer.
Oh.
Mixture. That's another one at some point. We should do that. Remember I told you the brain lesion or tumor type thing? The doctor met with him again and said, well, you don't seem to be having any problem with this. Like, there's no side effects. He was like, you seem to have had this all your life.
So I thought, well, if they're coming, I better get my house tidy.
These are all either just open or return envelopes.
Our account, did you do that?
The ones that look like those.
Can't hear you.
They're out in the yard.
So I'm so glad that you could do this little short thing with me today. Remember, as always, God loves you, I love you too, and I can't wait to see you next time.